Hey guys. So for today's video, it is sponsored by Ronnie Hair. So thank you so much, Ronnie Hair, for sending over this new unit. So the wig that I'll be reviewing today is their deep curly, pre-plucked, virgin hair, 13 by 6 Swiss lace fake scalp wig. Woo, in an inch 20. So this is what the unit looks like. It does have the fake scalp. It has 3 combs at the top, a comb in the back, and an elastic band. The wig fit really, really good. I got it in a size medium, so it was nice and snug and it fit perfectly. And I did just cut a little bit off of the ear tabs. The hairline looks really good at the top. The sides probably could have been plucked a little bit more, but it's a middle part, so I knew it was no need to pluck it because the hair is going to fall over the sides anyway. I didn't decide to do any baby hairs with this unit, so this hairline definitely looks good enough for you not to do baby hairs if you don't want to. So I like the length of the unit. I like the curls. I'm definitely going to define those as well with using my mousse from my own hair collection, and I also use water and leave-in conditioner. I cut the edge of the lace off using a zigzag motion so it wasn't a straight direct line. Then I used the Wig Dealer's Wig Melt Spray, and I placed that all over my hairline. And then I also just used a little bit of the Got To Be gel on the side, the one in the yellow container, because I find that the Got To Be gel really does work better on the sides, and then the lace melt spray works really good in the middle. So when you start defining your curls, just make sure you use plenty of water. Moisture is definitely key in making your curls pop. I just use a regular water bottle, and then I use the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. I really love that one. And then to define the curls, I go ahead and use my GLEEmade styling mousse, and that mousse really makes the curls pop. You definitely want to concentrate on all the hair, like through the top and down to the end of the hair. I also decided to trim the hair to give it a more blunt cut at the bottom, but I also added layers as well. I really am loving this wig, you guys. It's very simple and easy to style. You can get it together in literally 15 minutes and be out the door. I just love how the curls pop. They look so luscious and so juicy. They're not too big and not too small. It's like the perfect curl pattern for the summertime. So you guys let me know what you think about this hair. If you're interested in it, I will definitely leave links down below to where you can check it out, and make sure you let them know that Jess sent you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned to the end. I will show the curls once they're dried, and yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming and I don't want you to miss out. Make sure you share this video with a friend, share this video with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.